My name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan. And today we're going to continue our video series designed to educate and inform the public. So please subscribe to our channel. I think it's very, very dangerous as we look at divorce and custody cases for non-professionals to throw out labels on their children, on their ex, and it's become more and more popular. I think it has a lot to do with the proliferation of information available on the web. I think there's a tremendous amount of data. There's a tremendous amount of reporting that goes on with certain type of people, and so I'll get calls. The firm will get communication from people out there who will already arrive at conclusions about the other person. Is it conclusions based on extreme medical knowledge? No. Do they have psychological training? No. Are they trained as therapists? No. But they're going to call up and they say, well, my wife is a narcissist. How do I divorce her? And then I'm hearing this. I'm thinking, do you have any clue what these terms actually mean? It is much more effective for a member of the public who calls a lawyer to say, my husband did this, and that. Don't go labeling it, okay? Because the label is meaningless. What one person means when they say so-and-so is a narcissist may be completely different from what the other person means. So labels are dangerous. Let's not use psychological terms of art to describe our spouse. Let's just stick with the facts. Let's say she did this and she did that. That's where we're at. Now, what do we do about it? And by the way, is there a difference in the statutory standard and procedure divorcing a narcissist versus a non-narcissist? I will tell you, there is no difference. Michigan is a no-fault divorce state, which means whether or not the person has a label, whether the person is a narcissist, a genius, a vegetarian, none of it makes a difference. The divorce process is available for everybody. If you've had a breakdown of the marital relationship, it doesn't really matter why. So in a situation like this, the best possible thing is to contact your lawyer and just explain what you see without putting labels on it. I will tell you this, it's just as ineffective to start labeling people with all these names as calling up your lawyer and telling your lawyer, I've read that the Second Amendment says this, or the Michigan compiled laws annotated 257.601. You're going to quote court rules to your lawyer? Really? Okay, you know what? Leave that for the guys who do that for a living, okay? Let's not do that. Let's just go with what we know. You're a banker, you're an engineer, you know your terms of art. The lawyers are not going to tell you how to run your business. Likewise, just tell the lawyers what the facts are. Tell them what you know without the labeling, because they're going to figure out a way to assist you in the divorce process. And if it turns out that the person is a chauvinist, or the person is a narcissist, or the person is an inveterate liar, or a compulsive gambler, or has some other kind of a psychological issue or problem, your lawyer is going to tell you, look, this is what we're dealing with. This is the best and most effective way to deal with this. This is how we'll preserve the marital assets. This is what we'll do about custody and parenting time, given the psychological limitations of the other side. And really, that's the best way to handle it. Now, if you have any questions about your particular case or your particular narcissist, reach out and we'll be glad to help you out.